Has India become the big brother in Asia? Countries that once criticized India are now asking India, please help us. Today, we will uncover how India is emerging the real protector of South Asia. While global superpowers like USA, China, Russia, Israel, and other countries try to control the world, but India is playing a savior role for our neighbors. Countries that once shouted India out are now turning towards India for help. Here is a question: why India is either not taking revenge nor exploiting them? Instead, why India is acting like a true big brother? Because if our borders and neighbors are at peace, there will be no worrying of region's peace and stability. In that matter, let's break it down. Let's start with the Maldives. Maldives depended heavily on oil imports. Over 70 to 75% of their oil comes from Oman and UAE. Because of the blockade in the Strait of Hormuz, it created a disruptions in global oil supply routes. Fuel shortage hit massively in Maldives. Petrol prices surged by 18% in 2 weeks and panic spread across the country. On April 2nd, 2026, Maldives officially requested India to help them with short-term and long-term fuel supply. But here is a twist. The same Maldives government that ran India Out campaign and even removed Indian military personnel in 2024, but reality hit them harder soon. The debt reached 9.4 billion, that is 134% of their GDP, and they expected the help from the China, but it never came. Guess who stepped in? It was India, giving Maldives $400 billion financial support with currency swap agreement and emergency supply of food essentials. India became their lifeline. Now, let's move on to Sri Lanka. Do you remember 2022 Sri Lankan economic collapse and civil war? Sri Lanka was still recovering from that phase, but due to global oil disruptions, Sri Lanka was on the edge of the collapse again. Fuel shortages, public panic, and risk of economic shutdown hit very hard on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka needs 4,800 metric tons of diesel and 4,450 metric tons of petrol. In this crisis, India stepped in. On March 28, 2026, India sent 8,000 metric tons of emergency fuel shipment to Sri Lanka. Result to that, the economic activity resumed and panic controlled instantly. Sri Lankan President personally thanked India for its rescue. Now it's Bangladesh. After political instability happened in Bangladesh in mid-2024, country faced fuel, ration supply, power cuts, and industrial shutdown. Bangladesh imports 90% of its fuel from the Middle East countries. After global disruptions, it started chaos at fuel stations in the Bangladesh. Even armed force securities were deployed to control the chaos. Then India stepped in with a game-changing move. What is that? It was India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline. The 131 long pipeline with direct supply of diesel from Numaligarh Refinery Terminal in Siliguri, West Bengal to Parthippur Depot Refinery of Bangladesh. Delivery time was reduced from weeks to 24 hours and the transportation cost reduced to almost 50%. On March 10, 2026, India supplied 5,000 metric tons of directly from this pipeline. Now, Bangladesh is requesting for more supply. The same country that opposed India and displayed Indian sovereign land in their maps now totally depending on India to survive. Let's not forget the Nepal and Bhutan. Nepal gets 100% fuel support from India. Monthly, India supplies 100 million liters of fuel and 48,000 tons of LPG. Bhutan is also depend entirely on India. By uninterrupted supply of Bhutan's rising fuel prices were handled. Now, here is the question: how India is helping everyone while they are managing its own needs? Here is the strategy. India is the fourth largest oil refining nation in the world. Annual capacity is up to 250 plus million metric tons. They diversified oil imports to 40 countries after Iran-US-Israel war and increased the imports from Russia and USA. India reduced Middle East dependency from 70% to 46%. Only now 30% oil will supply from the Strait of Hormuz. Result to that, India stays stable while helping others. But here is the thing. India is still facing a huge LPG crisis. So, these are my thoughts how India became a big brother in Asia. If you have enjoyed this geopolitical breakdown, please like, share and subscribe for more powerful stories. Jai Hind.